Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in MCX natural gas market today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened at 200. We expected natural gas to stay in selling, maintaining 204.5 as a stop loss, and right after the opening price came near 202 and continued its selling to reach 197 and close near 197.3. Today it's expected to open somewhere between 199 and 198, so still you can expect natural gas to stay or maintain its selling. You can place stop loss somewhere near 203.5 and you can go for selling, expecting that the price can break 196, and you should have in mind 196 is a little bit a strong support. We expect that the price can break the support and come near 192.6. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.